Welcome back, I'm Ron the Cook. I got a few questions on how to make my Sakura powder for a cocktail I made for the WrestleMania this past weekend. It is a simple syrup using dragon fruit and a cherry blossom powder. It's really simple to make, has an unbelievable color, and tastes fantastic in cocktails, or as a soda, and this is how you make it. I'm gonna start with 250 grams of a superfine white sugar, or you can use plain granulated white sugar. Now we're gonna add 20 grams of dragon fruit powder. Now for our Sakura powder, dried cherry blossom, we're gonna go with 50 grams of Sakura powder. Using my kettle, I'll be pouring over 250 grams of hot water. The color change is instant. You get this bright pink color to it. Just mix it gently. Want everything to combine together. There'll be a little bit of clumping, but don't worry about that. Now that everything is mixed together, we just have to let it cool to room temperature before we strain it. I'll be using a pour over filter for coffee to collect any large chunks of the powders we put in there. Our syrup has cooled to room temperature, so let's strain it off and get ready to make some cocktails. If there are any clumps, just press them against the sides of your filter so you get maximum amount of flavor. And there it is, our cherry blossom and dragon fruit syrup. Dragon fruit doesn't actually impart much flavor into it, as much as it just gives it this beautiful, radiant color. Kind of just gives you this underlining tropical fruit notes to it. Now you can use this syrup in place of any simple syrup for any cocktail you want to make. If you want to see a couple cocktails made with this syrup, click right there. Till next time.